Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We have an active weather pattern shaping up, more so to the eastern part of the country. Things pretty quiet in the southwest for now, but the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley still getting in on some heavy rainfall, at least through midweek, and then things kind of drying up. But we'll be turning much colder as we approach the weekend and early next week. So take a look at our rainfall forecast and note this area of low pressure quickly zoomed up to the northeast there. That'll be our next Clipper system. Could bring some very heavy precipitation to the north, and we'll show you that in a second. But our front still kicking out some heavy rainfall in central and southern Texas. Nice to see that some areas in Texas still dealing with some drought. And then the Pacific Northwest still looking at some pretty decent moisture, more so to British Columbia as this trough kind of elongates. We're seeing an impulse of energy develop on the southern flank of that, so that's going to help to wring out some more moisture as it lifts out to the northeast. But on ahead of that, a little ridging taking place in the southwest, sunny, dry, pretty comfortable for folks in southern Nevada and also into Arizona. Need moisture in California, though, but there is that moisture currently situated over South Texas. And again, we do expect to see this next area of low pressure start to wind up and cause some concerns in the northern New England states. But look what happens in early next week. Just kind of cycling through this colder air, and indications are that early next week it is going to be significantly colder and feeling more like December as we get you into that time frame. So these Clipper systems, again, diving southeast through the region. But look at this. Our next one into this late week time frame really brings some heavy moisture again to places in Maine, nearly a repeat potentially of what we had over the course of the weekend. Temperatures, though, along the eastern seaboard 5 to 10 degrees above average as we top out in New York at 66 today. Have a good one.